Hi guys, and today we're going to open a squishy package cause I only have one squishy, which is Jimin. Jimin's squishy, which is in the BTS Wow squishy. This is actually already ripped, so this is not even a squishy anymore. That's the stuffing. So, bye squishy. Time to open the squishy package. Cut here. Wow, cut. Okay, I'm going to use two hands for this. Okay, I already opened it. Wow. Oh, wow. Oh, here we go. So cool. Okay. We have, what's this? A cute little extra book. That is totally the cutest. What's this other pink thing? No, wait. I want to see. Oh, what's this? What's this other one? Oh, it's the heart thingy. Another extra book. So cool. It's pretty cool. I want to see the letter. What letter? Where's the letter? I want to see the letter. Oh, there. I think I feel it. Oh, wait, guys. Wait. Oh. Guys, I already found the letter. Okay. It says... and one diary. Wait, what? There's a one diary, but it has two diaries. Wow. Maybe there's one extra and one diary. You got 3 sweets and 1 healthy snack. Squishy! Okay. First is this. What is this? Is it healthy? Oh, it is 3 sweets. This is sweet because it's chips. Wow. Squishy chips. So cool. So let's put it in here. There we go. Squishy. Next is 2 sweets. What's this? Oh, strawberry! Strawberry. This is my favorite. Strawberry. I love strawberry. Let's put it over here. Strawberry. Oops. Strawberry and chips. Next is, ooh, that's actually a panda. The sweets, oh, it is, which is a cupcake. Cupcake, squishy, cupcake. Squishy. There we go. Okay, it says 3. So 1, 2. What's this other? So cute. Isn't that cute little cookie? Cookies World C. It's Cookies World C. Wow. It doesn't have a label that Cookies World C. Maybe I'll call this Cookies World C. Squishy. Okay, so we've got squishy cupcake, 2 diaries, but it says 1, which is actually 2. They didn't know how to count. Another, and next we have chips, squishy chips. Next is my favorite, strawberry chips. I mean strawberry squishy. That's what I mean. Next is cookie squishy. So fluffy. Aha! I love my squishies. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Comment down below which squishy do you want. This cupcake, chips, cookie, Kaju diaries, heart and panda, or strawberry. Comment down below. Bye guys.